Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to off mute mode in Instagram. We start by entering the profile that we want to unmute. After that, we are going to click on the top icon of the bell. Here you can activate the options for which you want to receive notifications from that user, such as stories or publications. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.